Every adventure always has a different story, and each story may start on a way that we don't like, but that makes it more exciting.
Kalimti ang tanan, ayaw ang ID.
My friends and I traveled all the way to Bukidnon for a major climb to Mount Kalatungan-Wiji traverse. Mount Kalatungan is the 5th highest mountain in the Philippines, standing at 2,907 MASL, and is famous for its level of difficulty rated 8/9. We're here at Bukidnon, specifically at Pantukan, Bukidnon, and we'll be climbing Kalatungan-Wiji. So, good luck to us because we prepared for Mount Apo, but Mount Apo is unfortunately closed, so our second plan will be here at Kala-Wiji. And we're here at the registration area to secure our permits, so let's go!
So, ang Apo ang pinaka-highest, di ba? Then, ang Mount Kalatungan is 5th highest mountain sa Philippines. Pero sa top 10, ang Kalatungan sa karon, siya ang pinaka-mubuo kaning entrance fee. Di ba? Pinaka-mubuo tag entrance fee, pero kanang gahipod ato ang mga penalty diha if ever natin mga violation.
Mount Kalatungan is considered to be a holy mountain by the local tribes, and rules should be set in order for us to not disturb their place. We arrived at Barangay Mendising, Pangantukan and started the adventure of our lives. Officially started our trek. Time check, it's 5 p.m. and it started to rain already, so we're on our coat. So hopefully it doesn't get too heavy, because you know, temperature might be because you know, temperature might get so low, but hope we're prepared for that. The rain continued to downpour as we hiked to our first pit stop. The trail became slippery, muddy, and it was flooded by flowing water stream. We were headed to the view deck, where we will spend the night to prepare for the only assault to Mount Kalatungan on the next day. We arrived at the view deck all soaked up in the rain. And good thing our bond kept us away from the cold weather. The sun rises from the rolling mountains of the Kalatungan range. Time check 5:24, day 2 going to Kalatungan-Wiji. And we started around 4, and so far it's very far. So we're still going to our first stop, which is at Uleta Falls, but we have to go through Buku-Buku Saanay, which is like only assault nga open. Good thing that we started very early, so it's not very hot. So hopefully the weather is good, because yesterday, as you can see in the previous clips, it was raining so hard. So yeah. No one said the hike will be easy, as the open trail and steep assault of Buku-Buku Saanay literally took our breaths away. However, the amazing view of the mountains shines while the sun rises gave relief from our strenuous hike. An adventure never stops in the middle. Since we started this day, we were hiking on steep trails and a never-ending assault. So, habay namin sa junction, pero before we makapos sa junction, okay, we have to climb every mountain. Assault nga open, niya. Mo lagi siya ging nga 8/9 gud siya din. So mo din 8/9 din. Kapahilak sa imo. Mama, kuha ko diri. Kaboy na kayo. Though the hike is definitely treacherous, the beautiful overlooking view keeps us motivated to push through. Time check 9:55, so we left our luggages, our backpacks sa junction, because we're going to the summit of Mount Kalatungan. It's the 5th highest mountain in the Philippines. So let's go. Strava on. I couldn't be more excited to know that we are a few moments away from the summit of Mount Kalatungan. The enchanting mossy forest took away our pain and stress while we were about to bag a new achievement. This is it, guys. Yay! We're here at Mount Kalatungan. Kalatungan is 290708 MASL. Yes. We couldn't be more happier for ourselves to reach the 5th highest mountain in the Philippines, and we're blessed to have a clearing after all the hard work we've done. Salamat, Mount Kalatungan. What goes up must come down. We hiked through a steep descent to the bamboo camp where we will spend the night. It was scenic but tiring as usual. We arrived at the bamboo campsite just in time for lunch. Finally, day 2 done. Alam mo sa bamboo campsite niya, dali na may mag-tent, kaya alam mo mag-lunch and matulog. Sa kay color aning tiil. Anong sa tingin nyo ang kulay ng aking tiil? Oh my god. Pagani. Oh my god. Nakikita akong kulay black. Humot. Teng-teng-teng! Black. Presenting. Okay, kaya. Our group arrived at the bamboo camp yesterday way earlier than our itinerary, that provided us the opportunity to catch some sleep to cope up from the draining and leg-breaking trek. Our 3rd day started earlier than our planned itinerary, as our local guide suggested for us to catch the magnificent sunrise at the peak of Mount Lumpanag, or also known as Wiji. It was that cold that we have to wrap ourselves with thick clothing. The sky started to turn red as we reached the open trail to the peak. The trek was again treacherous as the trail is so steep to the point that our knees and face kissed. Indot, guys. Indot. Grabe. Amazing. Grabe, guys. Bawa sa kapoy. Pinakanindot nga view dari sa Wiji, guys. Pero grabe na gid. Grabe ang trail. Para mag-abot akong tuhod ug akong suwang. Kapoy eh. It was a magical and rejuvenating moment as scenery became an apple to our eyes. Honestly, my legs were already sore and I was running out of breath, but I was surprised that I was able to push my limits to ascend to the peak. Kapoy na ko! Hike pa more! Ayan na to! Amidst all the struggle and exhausting journey, we were blessed to have witnessed this wonderful creation. It made me realize that no matter how hard every step you take to achieve a goal, the price at the end will always be worth it. Oh God, you are amazing. Gusto may message din mo sa mga ka-SMS?
Congrats, guys.
Mura na!
Mura na. Till next.
Di na ko. If you think our adventure were done, then you are wrong. We continued our hike going back to Barangay Mindis, which should not be underestimated. Though the trail gradually goes down, it keeps going for hours until our knees tremble and our toes go sore. But the only thing that keeps us motivated is the thought of finishing this adventure safe and sound.
ka ma-injured.
Wala Ramon. Hey, mana?
John Estrada. John Lawrence Benito.
Hey, wrong spelling yung pangalan. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And like and subscribe and share peace and love.